Like when I came out at age 21, Maltese people were like, you took your fucking time. You came out so late. I'm like,
Yeah. What did your parents say?
There's no too late.
What did your parents say?
I actually never told my dad, Pa, I am gay, because I feel like he'd find that such an uncomfortable conversation. I mean, he's not blind, he has eyes. But I told my mom, like, I think I sent her a message saying, so this was like by that time, my third boyfriend.
All right.
Or my second boyfriend.
So,
and I had graduated by this time. And I told her I have a boyfriend. I'm coming home to Malta. I booked my own flights. I'm coming, and I'm coming home with someone, and this someone is my boyfriend. Something like that. That was my
reaction.
I'm not surprised, but I'm shocked. And there was obviously the classic Maltese. You don't need to post this about it. You don't need to post this anywhere. Like no one needs to know, but like second-hand embarrassment, like
il-peer group taħħa social
yes, there was probably I think she thought, I'm gay, I will now be wearing heels for the foreseeable future, and I will have a pride flag around my neck, and you will see all of these things on Facebook, which is not really my vibe. Maybe I gave off a vibe at that time that, I mean, you saw those two pictures. Maybe I gave off that vibe. We don't need to bring them again.
So we know what you're referring to. Just to do justice.
Yes, we don't need to, just because.
Just to do justice. Għal da tajt jew għalli ma tajt.
Come on, though. Come on.
Le, ribt malla, ġifiri prosit.
Okay, thank you. We can leave now. Thank you. Okay. The handstand. Okay, click on that one. That's a really nice video. No. Okay.
Mela. Ommu kettajlek, okay, ma jek you.
It was okay, but okay, just it wasn't. I think she said I love you, obviously nonetheless, but it wasn't like.
Hux għallek. Hux għallek.
This is when I came out. Then it's when I think me and my brother's relationship became like amazing.
Fejx, x'taħseb li bidel?
I don't know. Also, it's like when my brother's friends also. When I left Malta and I started to work, and then like I became like a bit of a success, not a success story, but I'm like, oh, legend, more stuff like, oh, cool, yes, you were doing that. So people started to be like, you see. I had something under my belt, and people kind of, I don't know, not respected me a bit more, but it wasn't just.
I think it was respect, man.
So maybe respect. So all about me wasn't just like it wasn't like hi, I'm Raphael, I'm gay. So like people like, I don't know, maybe found me interesting as well.
Li mor daw l-iskejjel. U bat għaddejt mill-proċess tal-iskejjel, speċa għaddej minn il-bicċa xogħol tal-body dysmorphia.
That was still in my first year of school.
U kemm damet l-affarijiet tal-body dysmorphia?
To this day, maybe a bit. Like, I spent a lot of my childhood with like feeling I'm just. I remember once when I was very young, I just always felt I was fat. I just had this like belly here, and I remember I used to get scissors and like not even just like, if only I could just fucking cut off my fat.
Yeah.
And I wasn't fat.
Yeah.
But I just had this thing. There was a pool party which scarred me. My sixth form friends are hearing it, they'll be laughing, because I went into, if they remember it, I went into one of the toilets, and the door was opaque, but I didn't realize it was opaque, and they were all by the pool drinking, and I was there doing sit-ups and push-ups, and come on, I can do this, I can like go, because I'm gonna have to take my top off, and I didn't know they could all see my shadow doing the press-ups and fucking going at it. Then I came out and they all started to clap, and I was like, fuck. That was like another leotard moment for me when I came out of the leotard.
Was it that bad though? I mean, you were just doing push-ups.
You're doing push-ups alone in a bathroom because you know you're about to jump in the pool. It's, come on, loser.
Now wanker for
loser. No, wanker. If I had abs, you'd be like wanker. I didn't, it was a bit like, and I was like, fuck. Like,
ġiri minn dejjem kellek dan il-rapport.
Yes, I used to jump in the pool with my top on and be like, fuck, I fell in with my top. I'm going to have to keep it on now.
It was like no logic there.
No logic there, but
okay, we'll go with it anyway.
Don't ask. It doesn't mean.
F'dal punt, speċa qiegħed il-bot mid-dar tiegħek hemm discipline eċċessiva, body dysmorphia, tibda tiskopri l-ħajja tiegħek bħala bniedem omosessuali, is-saħħa mentali tiegħek fejn qiegħda bħalissa f'dak il-punt.
Probably 3 years at drama school was I had structure because I knew that I had to go 8 a.m. ballet. I had all of this structure around me, but also this fucking chaos. And I was finding the discovering myself side exciting. So I was quite excited about that. It wasn't stressing me out so much because I knew I was not in Malta and I didn't have the pressures of Malta.
So
that was,
but
the excitement overpowered the other stuff, I think.
What's the other stuff?
Anything else that was troubling me.
Okay.
But that was my biggest trouble. My biggest trouble until I came out and for some time after was I'm gay.
Okay.
You know, that's such a big part of my life that I'm gay and I cannot be gay.
Yeah, of
People
course,
don't know, like if probably my mom's or anyone's hearing this, they'll be like, there you go. Wait, at that time, you know, I didn't talk about this shit. To this day, I don't talk about this stuff. So.
Mela, tlaqna?